In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use threads on Slack. Threads are the simplest way to keep conversations tidy, focus replies around a single message, and make busy channels easier to scan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start a thread and how to keep your follow-ups organized without cluttering the main chat. First, go to the direct message or channel where the conversation is happening. A direct message is a one-to-one or small group chat. A channel is where broader team discussions live. Use your sidebar to open the space you need and scroll to the message you want to respond to. If you're not sure where it is, search or filter your recent activity until you find that specific message. Opening the right place matters because a thread always anchors to a single message inside that DM or channel. Next, move your cursor over that message to reveal the action bar. Look for the reply in thread icon, the small speech bubble with lines inside it. Click it. Slack opens a thread view to the side, showing the original message at the top and any existing replies beneath. This keeps all related context in one lane, separate from the main timeline, so people who are skimming the channel aren't interrupted by every follow-up. In this thread panel, you can add your focused reply, reference earlier points, and keep details like decisions, links, or next steps attached to the message that started it all. If a thought belongs specifically to that message, a thread is almost always the best place for it. It helps teammates catch up quickly and prevents parallel conversations from splintering across the channel. As a bonus, threads keep notifications relevant. People already involved in the thread, or anyone you mention directly, will be the ones most likely to see your reply promptly. For clarity, keep replies concise and on topic, and consider a short headline or keyword when a thread grows long. If the discussion drifts to a completely new subject, it's usually better kept in the main chat as a fresh message, so each idea has a clean home. When a thread reaches a conclusion, a brief recap in the main channel or your project notes makes the outcome easy to find later. That's all there is to it. Open the right DM or channel, then hover over the message and click Reply in Thread. With those two actions, you get clearer conversations, less noise, and better visibility into decisions, all right where they belong. Thanks for watching and enjoy a calmer, more